do you have a need to merge transparent PNG file with another file, with another image file that could be PNG or JPEG, and combine them into one image? So do you have that need? If you do, then you are just like me. And in this video, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to scroll down to my promo images. So this is the promo images of my new program, little tiny program that is available on Gumroad. What it is doing, it is physically overlapping image from one folder over the image in a second folder, and is giving you output combined image of those two in third folder. It is important that the first image, the top image, is transparent PNG, because if it's not, it's pointless. It's just going to cover whatever is here. The second image can be whatever, it doesn't matter. And then as a result, you're going to get these two images combined. So transparent image is going to go over the second image. Now, it is important for the script to work that the image that is in the first folder, so the top image, has the same dimensions, so that's number one, and has the same name as the one that you want to overlap it with. So if this in folder, for example, folder A, and this is folder B, if this one has the name bird t-shirt.png, so this is not important, it is going to go over this. So it's going to look for the image with exactly the same name, and then the script is going to combine them together. So this is an example of result, and that's it. This is how the program looks like. This, you see, is how the program looks like. It's a very colorful and simple interface. So you need to click here to select top files. So those are this one. Click here and then select folder with bottom files, and then click here to select export folder. That is where it's going to combine the first two images. And after you did that, click on run, give it a couple of seconds depending how many images you have, and it's going to give you a note that is finished, and that's it. I'm not sure how you're going to use this software. I'm not sure is it going to help you, but if you need something like this, like I did, there you go, now you have it. So it is merging transparent PNG file on top of any other file. Remember, same dimensions, so same dimensions and same name, that is going to be combined. And that's it, that's the video. If you have any comments, no, this is not on a Mac, this is only available for Windows. If you own a Mac, you know what I'm going to say, buy a PC. That's your goal for 2023. Buy a PC. It doesn't have to be new, it doesn't have to be good, just buy a PC that for these kind of things you can run these batch scripts on a second computer. In fact, as I'm talking, and actually as I'm recording this video using OBS and my main computer, I'm actually clicking on my second computer that is processing images. So it is always a good thing that you have another computer that can do all this batch processing in the background as you continue your work on the other computer. That's it. If you have any questions, ask me down below. That's it from me. Short, sweet, bye. Have a nice day.